Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get round glutes. Building strong, rounded glutes involves a strategic approach to your workouts. We'll cover the most effective exercises that target all three gluteal muscles, the maximus, medius, and minimus. Understanding how to properly engage these muscles is key to achieving that desired shape. We'll also discuss the importance of increasing your challenge over time to stimulate continuous growth and development. To truly sculpt round glutes, incorporate exercises like barbell hip thrusts, aiming for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Romanian deadlifts are fantastic for the posterior chain, also performed for 3 to 4 sets. Deep squats, going below parallel, engage the glutes significantly. Don't forget isolation movements like glute kickbacks, which can be done for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions per leg, focusing on a strong squeeze at the top. Your diet plays a crucial role in glute development. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily to fuel muscle repair and growth. A slight caloric surplus, perhaps 200 to 300 calories above maintenance, provides the energy needed for building new muscle tissue. Equally important is recovery. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Hydration is also key, so drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Consistency is paramount for achieving and maintaining round glutes. Aim to train your glutes 2 to 3 times per week, allowing 48 to 72 hours of rest between sessions. Implement progressive overload by gradually increasing the weight, repetitions, or sets as you get stronger. Varying your exercises every 4 to 6 weeks can prevent plateaus. Remember, building muscle takes time and dedication. Expect to see noticeable changes over several months of consistent effort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.